What's up, you freaking geniuses? So, in this video, I'm going to quickly break down what integers are. Alright, so integers are simply whole numbers, okay? But they include both positive and negative numbers, and also zero, okay? So I have a number line down here, okay? So integers include the number 0, okay? And all the positive whole numbers. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we could keep going to a bajillion. It's not a real number, but you get the point, right? It just keeps going forever. But like I said, it also includes negative numbers. Okay, so for example, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, right? All the way to negative bajillion. So all these numbers I wrote right here are considered integers. And we can get a little more specific with these, okay? So from the number 1 and forward this way, these are known as positive integers. And we can also do that with the negative numbers, okay? So starting from this -1 going all the way that way, these are called negative integers, okay? And what about the number 0? Is that a negative or positive integer? Well, 0 is neither negative nor positive, okay? So it doesn't fall into either of these two categories. So it's simply just known as an integer. Okay, and real quickly, what would not be considered an integer? Well, we wouldn't consider fractions as integers, right? Because they're not whole numbers. So for example, 1/2 is not an integer. -1/2 is not an integer, right? 5/3 is not an integer, right? I think you get the point. So fractions are not integers. And also decimals. Decimals are not considered integers because, again, they are not whole numbers. So 6.9 is not an integer, right? This is a decimal. It's not a whole number. Same thing with -4.20. This right here is also not an integer because it is not a whole number. It is a decimal. Okay, so again, integers are basically just whole numbers, right? But again, they include both positive whole numbers and negative numbers and 0. All right, guys, now you know what integers are and what they are not. So I hope the video was helpful. If it was, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. It's always appreciated. And if you got any more questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to try and help you out. Also, there's a whole pre-algebra playlist attached at the end of the video. So if there's any other topics you need to check out, you can definitely check those out and I'll see you there.